Here we are again with another strange fruit to taste. Now this one I'm pretty sure that I've had a sample of in the past. It didn't overexcite me. This is Marang. And that's Artocarpus odoratissimus.
You got it.
Odoratissimus. And I tell you, the odoratissimus part, yeah, I don't know about the tissimus, but it sure got the odor. Oh boy, this thing's got a smell to it. There is some similarity here to durian as far as I'm concerned.
I found there are three categories of bad fruit smells. There's the durian bad fruit smell is a sulfuric, kind of like someone hasn't showered in a few days or washed their feet. Then there's, or rotten egg, that's the durian bad fruit smell. Then there's the industrial solvent smell, which that mango we had, that odor, remember that? It smells like someone's been doing some chemistry in the garage.
Yeah, that's nasty.
And then this is what I call the something's burning smell.
Something's burning?
It smells like the exhaust out of the back of a diesel truck. Or something in your car needs to be fixed.
Smells like more like the exhaust out of the truck driver after a stop at the truck stop. But no, yeah, you got it. You got it there.
Yeah.
All right, so you say I don't need a knife for this, Joe. So
yes, this is so. This fruit is closely related to jackfruit and breadfruit. And what I love about it is if you've ever cut open a jackfruit, you know it's a bit of work and you get latex all over the place.
Yeah, it's a mess.
This fruit is about as convenient as it gets to open. All you have to do is it's got all these like little spines.
It's like a sea urchin.
Like a sea urchin. All you have to do is press and just
look at that.
Take the skin right off.
Right there. And so that is the skin part, which vaguely resembles like tripe.
Yeah.
And so we don't eat that part, I'm assuming.
You don't eat that part.
Yeah, it don't look that good.
But you take the skin off, and these the carpels, as they call them, are right there, and you just pluck them off. So it's a very, very easy. What we're seeing in this particular fruit is that there was not so great pollination on it.
Yeah.
With this family, the more pollination, the more carpels you'll have. So.
Probably the larger and better shaped the fruit too.
Yeah.
Cherimoya is like that too.
So the more trees you have close together, the better pollination you're going to get. I believe this was a solo tree in someone's yard. That's why. Yep. But,
and then we just do this.
Just grab one. Very delicious, in my opinion.
Yeah, I won't argue. Yeah, the carpel's pretty good. I don't know if this is the same one or not because now if I start getting a sewer gas belch for the next 2 hours, this is the same Artocarpus I tried. Otherwise, it was something similar that had a durian-like smell or something.
It doesn't taste like sewer gas.
No, it doesn't.
To me, it reminds me of a wet marshmallow.
Yeah.
You know? Like, it has that, it just doesn't have a strong fruity smell like jackfruit does.
Nope.
It's just very sweet and pleasant.
Sweet? Let's see now. No, okay, now. I just got a little bit of that weird exhaust.
You do?
Yeah, a little bit. On the one end of the fruit there. The carpel sort of reminds me in a way of soursop because there's a certain amount of fiber to that.
Yeah.
You know?
So you can just kind of...
Yeah, there's some fiber to it. And so like the soursop is a chew. No, it is nice and mild, but maybe it's just my nose. I am detecting this undertone.
I think that smell is more present in the skin. You smell that, that's where all the bad smell is.
Could be rising, don't know. Well, lucky for the rest of you, the camera will be turned off 2 hours from now if I start belching sewer gas. So, yeah, no, it's good. Yeah, I can deal with that. That's not bad. I mean, even with the evil smell, it's not bad at all. That is the outside of the fruit smelling. The inside, not so bad so much.
Can't beat the ease of processing.
No.
This fruit is very popular in the Philippines, where they call it marang. It's also very popular in Malaysia, Indonesia area, where they call it their tarap. There's much bigger fruits than this one, typically.
Well, This is not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I'd eat it.
You know, seeds are relatively small.
Mm-hmm.
Much smaller than a jackfruit seed.
With all the slipperiness here, though, I can see how that slides right down your throat if you're not careful.
Yeah. Well, they're edible.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I guess like jackfruit.
Yeah.
There, they can toast those like Emma's. That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
But
We're 2 for 2 on the tastings today.
yeah, not bad. That beats the heck out of some of the stuff. What was that mango? That was the
Odorata.
Odorata.
Mango.
Yeah.
I know. That was too strong for me.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Marang. Yeah, I'm okay with it. Aloha, folks. Enjoy and plant more marang trees.